Is your phone getting hot? Like really hot? Even when you're not gaming or using it much? You're not alone. Phones across Android and iOS are overheating in 2025, and it's not just the weather. In this video, I'll show you what's really causing it and how to fix it in under 4 minutes. First, let's fix background drain. Many phones now run AI services in the background, which use your CPU constantly. Go to Settings, Battery, or App Management, and check which apps are eating power. Force stop or restrict background activity for apps like TikTok, Snapchat, or any AI assistant that keeps running. Next, avoid charging and gaming at the same time. It's a recipe for overheating. Also, stop using fast chargers not made for your phone. If you're gaming, unplug. And when charging overnight, switch to a lower watt charger to reduce heat. Now, reduce heat by turning off hidden power hogs. Drop brightness below 50%, turn off 5G if you don't need it, and disable GPS when not in use. These simple tweaks can cut your phone's internal heat by 20 to 30%. Is your phone already overheating? Remove the case, stop charging, and place it on a cool, flat surface, but never in the fridge. You can also turn on airplane mode for 2 minutes to let it cool faster. Overheating doesn't mean your phone is broken, but it does mean it needs a break. Try these fixes and see the difference. And if this helped, like and subscribe for more fast tech fixes every week.